Hey, so after some craziness and trying to find hoses, I ended up going with this hose. I forgot what kind of hose it is, but it's steel braided hose. Damn expensive. It is $17.99 a foot. Ended up needing 3 feet to do this and this. I wanted to do all this with this same hose, but it doesn't really flex a whole lot, and I didn't want to break this piece right here that goes down to the bottom of the engine. So what I did was I used the hose that I took off from here when I replaced it with silicone hose. Hopefully it'll do the job, but I did a 1-inch T over here, 1-inch elbow. These are PEX fittings at Home Depot. $3 and $4 or something like that. And then over here I did a hose and hose 5/8 heater hose on the inside that only goes as much as the little barb fitting over here. But that's what I did. This is a lot cleaner than my original plan, keeping the I can't think of what this is called right now. Brain fart. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I didn't change the piping from underneath. I just teed it off right here to here to here. 1-inch T, 1-inch elbow into this pipe. This hose. I had one hell of a time trying to find the hose, because conflicting things about heater hoses and stuff like that. But the hose is beautiful. This is an Amazon catch can. I got it for like 29 bucks. And the nice thing about it is that it's just right here. If I want to loosen it, I can just loosen it over here. It's not going to give me a hard time or anything like that. But I would have done an installation video, but this shit was annoying, and I would have had to do too much editing. So here is the final. That's the final. And yeah, I'm still kind of a little bit annoyed by the whole thing, but I'm very happy with the way it looks. Hopefully everything holds up, and we shall see. That is my mk4 GTI 1.8T AWP catch can install.